Hello! It's summer! Hello! Do you like my hat? And nandito kami ngayon sa Zug. Wait, hindi ko makita. So, nandito kami sa Zug. And, you know, because I'm working so hard, meron akong plus hours sa work. So, it means I'm not going to be paid by cash, but I can use it for a holiday or vacation. So, now I have 2 weeks of vacation after 3 months of working hard. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung saan kami talaga pupunta today. Pero malapit lang to sa bahay. So, malaman natin.
Wenn ihr abzahlen, wenn wir mit dem Kärtchen zahlen, kann eben schon die Abrechnung.
Boat. So we are in the middle of nowhere. And papunta kami sa isang restaurant. So, medyo basa yung daan. And ang nakakatakot lang, syempre madudumihan yung shoes ko. And ayoko mangyari yun. Meron naman siyang track, di ba? Kaya okay naman. So yun nga, bakasyon ko. And I am so happy. Actually, second day na ng bakasyon ko. And yesterday, nag-gardening ako. Dami kong ginawa sa garden. And ang wish ko talaga is magstay lang sa bahay. Okay. Wow, look at the view. Ang ganda. So, wow. Look at that view. It's beautiful out there. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Look. Beautiful. Maganda yung weather kasi hindi siya, well, mainit yung sinag ng araw pero malamig yung simoy ng hangin kasi nag-uulan. Hindi na tumigil yung kakaulan. Look at that. That's so beautiful. My God. Ganda-ganda. So, ang actually wish ko for this 2 weeks holiday, actually tinatanong ako ng asawa ko if saan ko gustong mapunta, either sa Paris or sa south of France or sa Greece. Pero sabi ko, ayokong mag-travel kasi hindi na ganun kagandang mag-travel like before. Dahil marami nang gustong pumunta ng Europe. So maraming mga tao. And besides, nakikita nyo naman sa internet na madaming mga hindi magagandang tao na maraming kabalbalang ginagawa sa mundo. Kaya sabi ko, sa bahay lang. Pero ito, malapit naman sa bahay. Look at this. It's a farmhouse. That's the main house. And this is the parang stalls. And then yung relatives. And so, and they have apple trees or cherries or I don't know. Dahil ang ganda. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at that. So nice. Why are you so nice to me? Why are you so nice to me? Kalbisch, ganz fein. Hast du Pferden? Do you have Pferde? Kal, zeig mir dein Gesicht. Ne? So cute. Bisch, komm. Kommen wir mal. Lovely. Now let's go to the horses. Look at the horse. Oh my God. Oh. Look at the horses. Wow. Hey. Hey. Hello. Oh my God, I'm so scared. So scared. Fish is so good. Fish is so good. Yeah. Fish is so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. You look so cute. You look so cute. Ciao. Ciao. Cal. Ciao. Tschüss. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, you like me. You like me. Gal. Yeah. 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 Wow. Look. After a long, long walk and my allergy. I have an allergy. We're almost in our destination. It's a restaurant. I think ito na yung restaurant. I think ayan na yung restaurant. So it has a beautiful view. So ito na nga yung restaurant. Tignan mo yung view. Ang ganda-ganda dahil. It's such a beautiful view. And this is the restaurant. Check that up. Dankeschön. Oh wow, look at that. It's so beautiful.
Hast du die Schokolade gegessen, Babili? Warum isst du nicht?
Weil im Kühlschrank ist ein bisschen Reste von der Tiramisu
Du
gewesen.
musst immer ausreden, du musst eine essen.
Weißt du, wie gut die Stücke von Tiramisu waren? Oh, du, aber ich esse das selten, wirklich selten.
Das ist selber schon.
Nein, nimmst nur ein.
Aber nicht du auch, du musst...
Gut ein.
Es hat einer gegessen, wie eine Schokolade. Ich kann nur drücken.
Machst du vielleicht?
It's so beautiful. Ganda. Ang ganda dito. Wow, ang bango. Ang bango ng toilet. It's beautiful here. Beautiful. Ang ganda, Day. I love it here. It says, take your time to be happy.
Salat mit Leberli.
Ja, das bin ich. Oh, wow.
Appetit.
Ui, danke
Sehr
schön.
gern.
Oh my God. Salad with liver. So beautiful. Hey! Wow, there's a grilling place here. Wow, that's the train. Wow. Oh, wow. Super. So we are like Hansel and Gretel. Pabalik na kami. Hindi na kami nag-train pabalik kasi masarap na maglakad. And can you guess what time is it now? It's almost 7 o'clock p.m. and the sun is still out. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, look, it's so old. Es kann gefährlich sein. My God. The challenges of my life. Buwis buhay. Char. Dahil buwis buhay eh. Nakakaihi. Naiihi ako. Laban lang, kuya. Good luck. Alright. We are here. Wow. Dalawa na lang. Dalawa na lang kami nang nasa parking. Wow. Look at that. So from on top, naglakad na lang kami, and now we are here. Wow, ist die Bude. Sehen wir mal hingehen. Schön.
Nach 250 Metern links fahren.
Wow. Sunset Boulevard.
Jetzt links fahren. Danach sofort links abbiegen.
Das hat er sauber so geputzt. Das Gell?